Welcome to Cruising Obsession. I'm Christy, and today I'm going to talk about preparing for your cruise about a month or so out. At this point, your cruise has been booked, your flights have been booked. Hopefully, you've also secured your hotel accommodations. Do keep in mind, over holidays, hotels do book up quickly in the ports. I do like to join the Facebook page for my specific sailing. It's very helpful for getting tips of excursions and things to do in port that you may not have thought of. At this point, you should have completed the check-in on your ship's phone app and considered how you're going to be getting to the airport. Are you going to be taking a hotel shuttle, an Uber, a Lyft, or will you be driving there directly? Long-term parking is available right at the port, and it's also offered off-site and even at some hotels. Think about the prescriptions you will be taking on the cruise. Be sure they have refills available. If you're traveling with insulin, consider how you're going to keep it cold during your travels. Pets. Be sure you have secured a boarding facility or a pet sitter for your fur babies. If they're chipped, make sure the information connected to their chip is up to date with your current phone number and address. You want to be sure your pet's vaccines are up to date, that their medication has been refilled, and of course have an ample supply of food and treats for them, maybe some new toys to introduce while you're away, and a thunder jacket if need be. Clothes. Think about the items you're going to need on this particular cruise. Will you need more than one bathing suit so you always have a dry one? Cover-ups, hats, sunglasses. Will there be a formal night that you need to prepare for? How are you going to accessorize your clothes? Make sure you have enough shoes for the beach, comfortable walking shoes, closed-toed shoes as some events may require that, and also water shoes if you're going on particular excursions. Be sure you have enough luggage for your trip. You may want to consider purchasing air tags or tiles to track your luggage. I create a shopping list for myself. I want to be sure I have fresh sunblock as it does expire. And do keep in mind that some excursions do require reef-friendly sunblock. You may want to pick up travel bottles for your shampoo and conditioner, as well as jars for moisturizers. I also like to take along a bottle of pump hand soap, as I prefer that over the bar soaps available in the cabin bathrooms. You may also want to pick up some luggage tag holders to keep your tags nice and dry. I also like to travel with a pop-up laundry hamper and magnetic hooks to put on the cabin walls for hanging hats and such. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit like and subscribe to be notified when future videos come out. Upcoming topics include everything you need to know about Embarkation Day and a review of the specialty restaurants on board Celebrity Silhouette.